In this video, I show you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on your PC. First, open your browser. I select Microsoft Edge browser. Now go to search bar and type Google Chrome. Then search. I click on this link. Opening new window. Click on Download Chrome button. Again, I click on the Download Chrome button, pop-up window, and I click on the Accept and Install button, downloading Chrome EXE. Now I click on the Open File. When we ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Click on Yes. Look, now downloading and installing Google Chrome. After installing, automatically open with Chrome.